Active Together has been launched following Active East Riding's Stay Home, Stay Active campaign. It provides a variety of activities to keep both the body and mind active. This includes gentle exercise programs, fun games and activities, along with a series of reminiscence and sing-along sessions. Each of our activities can be adapted to suit a range of ability levels, which are highlighted in each video. Now it's over to the Health and Wellbeing team for today's demonstration. Enjoy today's activity.
Okay, so I'm making a bird feeder. So all you need for this is some string, some scissors, a tub of your own, and some cereal, just to make sure it's got some holes in it. So all you need to do is get your string, tie a knot in the bottom, and grab your cereal, pop it on right down to the bottom. So whilst you're doing this, you can eat one for yourself and then pop one on the bird feeder. So once you've done quite a lot of those, as you can see on this one, once you've done that, you can pop it in your garden, find a nice spot for it, and watch the birds come and eat it.
Okay, so slotting is a really good fun activity, and what we can do is people, if they have the dexterity and the eyesight, please do use beads. Let's make some really good necklaces. If people don't have that, let's use something a little bit different. So here we've got some pasta. Again, it's the same thing. We get our string, we tie a knot in it, and we gently thread our pasta through the hole. Now please do have some scissors on hand, because the ends do tend to fray a bit, and it can get really frustrating pushing it through when the ends are not quite right. So once we've threaded quite a lot of pasta, it will look something like this. Now it does look a little bit boring, so why not add some paint? And here we've done a little bit of colour to it. It does make it look a little bit special. So you can either use brushes, you can either use our fingers to dip in the paint, or we could do something a little bit different. So here we have a zip bag. It's full of pasta. We've squirted some paint in and just gently rub the pasta in the paint. It actually feels really nice. Plus it's not a messy activity, because I know some people genuinely don't like getting messy at all, includes me. So what we do is we pour this out and we just leave it to dry. And as you can see, it's fully painted and no paint on our fingers at all.
Thank you for taking part in today's Active Together activity. We hope to see you again soon.